We're here at the Orange Grove Power Plant in San Diego County, California. This was an important project for TRC. We assisted J Power, the project owner, in the environmental design and permitting and the environmental monitoring during construction. And there are quite a few sensitive resources here in the area, so the construction monitoring was a very important part of it. TRC did the air quality modeling for this project prior to construction to make sure that the emissions were going to meet all of the California and federal standards. We did the dispersion modeling and actually predicted what the concentration of the emissions coming out of the stacks was going to be at all the nearby sensitive receptors. Particular care was taken to make sure that the project infringed on their environment as little as possible through emissions, noise, and visual impacts. And it is surrounded by sound barrier walls that were designed to keep the noise in the surrounding area as low as practical so that the plant could be placed on a fairly small parcel and still meet the county noise standards. The walls are colored with the brown color that you see in order to blend in with the typical topography here, which gets very dry for most of the year. There was a gas pipeline, a 2.4-mile gas pipeline that had to come in to supply the fuel for the project. The gas pipeline had to come in some areas adjacent to the riverbed and the ponds that you see here. And there were some very environmentally sensitive areas in there that required extensive biological work and biological monitoring during construction. And in addition, the access to the plant required crossing a stream bed that would have been a large permitting hurdle. We recommended the use of a free-spanning bridge instead, and that eliminated permitting requirements from 2 agencies and cut about 1 year off of the permitting schedule.
Some of our biggest challenges for this power generation facility is the local compliance with the state and local environmental entities. Both the state of California, and the California Energy Commission, and the local county, San Diego County Air Pollution Control District, have onerous regulations for us to abide by and to adhere to. And Joe Stenger and TRC provides us invaluable support needed to ensure compliance today and long-term compliance down the road.